We have a word problem. A Michigan orchard made 10,720 pounds of taffy apples, with approximately 1 pound of taffy mixture for each 69.3 pounds of apples. To the nearest tenth of a pound, how many pounds of apples and how many pounds of taffy were used? So we have 1 pound of taffy for every 69.3 pounds of apples. So let X be the number of pounds of taffy, and then the number of pounds of apples will be 69.3 times that, or 69.3x. Then we write our equation that 1 pound, the number of pounds of taffy plus the number of pounds of apples, 69.3, don't want to give me my decimal, x, equals the total pounds of taffy apples, 10,720. Okay, on the left we have the understood coefficient of 1, so 1 plus 69.3x equal 10,720. Well, 69 3/10 plus 1 is 70 3/10. X equals the 10,720. Now, I know that sometimes, or usually, we say if you've got a decimal, multiply through, so you'd multiply through by 10. But this division is going to be so long, I'm just going to go ahead and divide by my decimal. So 70.3 into both sides. Cancels on the left, and on the right we have x equals, and I'm going to go to the slide 2 so you see where I divided it. So 70.3 into 10,720 is 152 and 4800ths, and it told me to round to the nearest tenth. So I look at the 4 in the tenths place, and I look to the number to the right of it, which is the 8, which means I round up to 0.5. So x is 152.5 pounds. Okay? Now to figure out the pounds of apples. Well, we know that we will take 69.3 and multiply it. So 69.3x would be a 69.3 times 152.5. Okay, again, I've already done the multiplying on the next slide. 152.5 times 69.3. I get 10,568 and 25 hundredths, rounding to the nearest tenth. I look at the 2 in the tenths place, and then the 5 to the right of it. It's 5 or greater, so I round up 2.3. So the number of pounds of apples is 10,568 and 3/10.